Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can add X amount of people are viewing this product in Shopify. So I'm referring to something like this: 66 people are viewing this product, and then the number changes automatically. This is for the social proof, and to be very honest, I don't find it legitimate unless you just add the random numbers range. So this is not the actual numbers. Basically, you will specify the numbers, minimum number and the maximum number, and your store will show something like this. So the best part, the honest part, is that you should specify a range which is actually real, not like you've launched a new store and you just add the range like 200 to 300 people are viewing this product, so it will look obviously fake. So just to make it legitimate, if your store is new, just make sure that you can add like 10 to 20 people are viewing this product, so that it you are considered actually honest. So for this tutorial, I worked a lot, and I just specified a range. I will show you the range first, and then I will show you how you can create this custom code without hiring a developer, and you don't have to install any paid app or any free app for it. The code will be written by you, not any external party or third party code, and you will have full control over the code. So this is the range that I have specified, just to make sure that I avoid the fake, because I don't want people to misuse my code, obviously. So on a on a honest side, I'm saying, so you can maximum add the viewers 90, or you can say 101 viewers. So this is the limit by Shopify. Fortunately, you can't add more than 101 visitors, obviously. If your store is running too much, like you are gaining thousands or millions of traffics on a daily basis, obviously, then you shouldn't use this code, because this is just a fake scarcity. And for it is for the people who have just started their store and want to show some social proof, but obviously some legitimate social proof. So make sure not to overuse this code, just on a developer side, I'm telling you. So I think 184 is fine. So I will save this code. So I will show you how you can create this snippet. This is actually a snippet. If you have watched my previous video on how to create this beautiful WhatsApp button, which works really fine, especially for the Asian store, you will have an idea how uh, the easy is to create the snippet and how helpful it is. So I have also created the snippet for product view counter, and it works really fine without an issue. And the code is so smooth that it doesn't have any error, unless I have until I have tested it multiple times. So what you will do, I have also created a document like my previous videos, and I have added all the steps and on how you can actually do it. So there's nothing you can do without. So there's nothing you have to hire a developer for this code. You can do it yourself. Don't worry about it. I will explain each and every step in detail. So what you have to do, you have to click on edit code. So the process is again straightforward. Again, I have given you a disclaimer before on how to use this section actually, but now let's start it. So how to add X amount of people are viewing this product in Shopify? I will leave the link to in the description of the video, in the complete code. So create a snippet named product view counter. I have already created a snippet product view counter, and then add the following code in it. So you have to add this whole code inside the snippet. You have to create the snippet. Like this, creating the snippet is straightforward. You just have to go there, and then you have to create the snippet and add this name product view counter and copy paste the code. You don't have to do editing in this code. So open main product dot liquid and locate the following lines of code. So let's locate these lines of code. So main product dot liquid, and okay, let me open this one. Okay, and now let's locate this code. Okay, it is being a little slow at this moment. I don't know. Okay, so we have found the code. So what I have written for section in for block in section dot blocks, and to get the following lines of code. After when app is going to render block, just below it add the following code. So you have to add this code. Let me delete this highlight in the code because it is a bit distracting. So yeah, so just below it add the following code. So you just have to add this code below it. Okay, so I've already added the WhatsApp code. So basically you have to add this code just below the render block. Okay, I have added already created a custom snippet, so I have added the code under the another custom snippet. So you basically you have to add this code when view counter till render product view counter block product, you have to add this code here. Okay, so this is the step number 2. And then also also add this inside the schema of that section. So main product or liquid schema, you have to add this code. Just copy paste this code, nothing else. So under blocks add this one. So the hack is you just have to open the schema, and in the start you should add this code just to avoid any confusion. So for example, if I go down and so this is the start of the schema, yeah, and then this is the blocks. You just have to add this code here. Okay, I'm showing you this. Okay, you have to add this code. I'm just adding the space just to make you sure, and then you have to add the comma at the end so that differentiate the code. You have to add this whole code. This is the schema. The tab is view counter, name is product view counter, and the settings there is a range, a minimum and a maximum range, and you just have to add this one. Okay, so I've already added the code, and I will remove the spacing just to make sure that there is no error in the code at all. So you just have, that's it, and you have to save this code. And now you can add it as a normal snippet inside the product information. Like I have created the WhatsApp button in my previous video. It works the same way. So you will go to any product, for example, and then you can add the inside the product information. Like let me show you. So this is the product information, and if you open this product information, you can add the snippet here that we created. Basically, let me delete it, and for example I want to add it below the quantity selector. Okay, this is the best part. And so product view counter, you can activate the snippet from here, and you can obviously change the minimum and maximum quantity. The people are viewing this product, 30 people are viewing this product. So basically it is generating a random number every time. The snippet code that I have written, basically it is using the JavaScript to create the random number every time, so based on your range. So obviously again I'm giving you the disclaimer, please use a realistic range. Don't be overconfident, don't scam your customers. Okay, so product view counter, and you can change the minimum viewers. Like I want to start the range from 10 and the maximum viewers 90. So that's it. And if you want to change the position, obviously it works like the normal snippet. You can change the position, you can add it above the quantity selector or below the quantity selector, and works the same way. So I would also recommend to watch my video on how I basically shake this product add to cart button with the help of a very simple code. And this is my favorite, order on WhatsApp. This works the same way, the way I have created this snippet. So I hope you have understood the code, and you don't have to hire any developer for it. Obviously you have, if you want to add some animations or you want to add some other thing, obviously you have to hire a coder. But for this simple thing, you don't have to hire anyone, and this works great on mobile. No worries at all. This is a very simple JavaScript code. It doesn't involve some complex for example scripting, so that it creates issue in some browsers. It works perfectly on all browsers. The code is very simple, and if you fail fees and if you feel any issue, please let me know. I will be very responsive. You already know I'm very responsive to comments. And I think that's it. I hope the things are clear. I will add the code, this code in the description of this video, and let me know if you feel any issue, and let me see you in another video. Thank you very much.